Lesson 10B. The Coordinates. Hello again. This lesson is about coordinates. Wondering what coordinates are? Let us learn using an example. Can you see the duck and the rabbit on the stage? You have to find the exact location where the duck and rabbit are placed on the stage. In such cases, we use coordinates to locate any sprite exactly at a particular point on the stage. Draw a horizontal and a vertical line from the midpoint of the stage. The horizontal line is known as the x-axis and the vertical line is known as the y-axis. The x and y axis divide the stage into 4 quadrants. Have you ever noticed this? There are 2 alphabets called X and Y, each having its own values in numbers. These 2 alphabets denote X and Y axis. So each sprite, when placed on stage, will have its own X and Y value. Let's go back to the exercise and see the X and Y values of both the sprites. Under Sprites Area section, can you see the images of the duck and the rabbit? First, select the rabbit sprite for which you want to know the X and Y values. X and Y values are given here. Along with that, all necessary information such as name of the sprite, direction in which your sprite is pointing, etc. will be shown. Now we will learn how to place the sprites in a particular location on the stage. Let us see the code block we need to use. Under Motion category, there is a block to locate X and Y axis of any sprite. First, let us change the location of the rabbit from the existing position. To do this, place the cursor on the stage exactly where you want to place your sprite and check the X and Y values. Value of X is equal to 100 and value of Y is equal to 100. Select Rabbit Sprite by clicking on it. Select this block and place it on the scripts area. Then delete the default X and Y values in the block and enter X and Y as 100. Now click on the block to see the rabbit changing its position. In the same way, you can change the position of duck by selecting the duck sprite. Solve all the practice exercises given.